anyway, so I come down here to the family farm and doing a little scouting today. I got down here a little early, got set up, parked in my truck. You know, been under chemo for the last couple of days. Just got the chemo pump taken off, so I'm not feeling the greatest today, but I'm not feeling too bad. So I decided to come down here and check things out and see what we see. So y'all stay tuned. We might have something interesting today. Well, that last groundhog you saw in there, I couldn't resist. I ended up putting the gun out and shooting it. It was right there at the truck. So, well, not at the truck, about 50 yards away. So, anyway, we got one more out of the way. You wouldn't believe how they got this field tore up. I still see them here, but I don't want to keep shooting because the deer will be coming out here soon, hopefully. But anyway, here's the first two this evening. One buck decided to take a chill pill there and lay down a little bit. Pretty little buck. Another one. There's another one. The one on the left looks so weird. Hard to believe in about a month or so they'll be coming out of their bachelor groups and start splitting up, well, a little more than a month. A month and a half. They'll be coming out of their bachelor groups, start scraping and rubbing trees. Start sparring a little bit. That tail coming straight at me right now. Scared to even move anything. There she is, just coming right up over the hill at me. There's a buck right there on the other side of the hill, coming right toward me. So, imagine when they get. It's a pretty buck. Still a young one. Boy, if he makes it another year, he's gonna have some potential. For a couple years, he will really be a pretty buck. Look this way one time and zoom in on him. I never don't look more than the daggone spray. He's looking at me. Getting picked on, it looks like. There's a whole bunch sneaking up in behind me. 6, 7 of them. There's 8, 9, and then there's 4 bucks on the other side of that hill. There's 13 deer out here right now. Actually looking at the other deer over my shoulder. They're all coming through the hill right now. Oh, it's pretty. There's another one just came out. There's 10 out in the field right now. On the backside, and I've got 7 behind me. So there's 2 fawns and a doe in the back, and the rest of them are bucks. There's a whole bunch that come up on me and they've seen the truck and kind of spooked them a little bit. They haven't seen me yet, but anyway, they're just steady coming out. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's more than that. Some of them are on the other side of the hill. They're steady coming out over here too. That one just came out. There's the doe. 14 deer standing there. There's 4 there. There's 14. There's at least 18. And then I got a bunch in behind me still, about 7 of them. So let's see, 18. That's 25 deer right now. It's almost getting too dark to film. I got 4 standing there, so there's 4 there. There's 18 deer if I could. They're walking right. She might be 50 yards away. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks so much.